This is one way to help the world be a better place. Let's clean the beaches. There's a lot of trash on our shores. We have fun while working together to solve this problem, and so can you. Look up a tutorial to make sand sifters because they are an essential tool in this process. Let's work together so we can save the sea creatures and clean our beaches.
Over there, plastic or